Good afternoon, students. Myself Pragnesh Polara from Om Engineering College, Junagadh. Today is our third session for the understanding the ideas of differential equations and how to solve the differential equations of first order and first degree. In last two sessions, we have discussed first the definition of differential equation, then order and degree of a differential equation. We have solved some examples that how to clear the idea that how to find order and degree of a differential equation. Then how to form the differential equation from the general solution. We have also discussed the general solution and particular solutions. Then in the end we have discussed the method for solving the differential equation, and in first method we have discussed the method of variable of separables, in which we have discussed that if in the differential equation the variables are separable, that means if variables are separable in the given differential equation, then we can apply the method of variable separable to solve that kind of differential equation. We have also discussed some example of solving using the method of variable separable. Now I am moving forward for the second type of differential equation and the solution of that kind of equation. Now I am going to discuss about the homogeneous differential equation and how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So let us first look about the definition of homogeneous function, then we will discuss about the homogeneous differential equation, and then we will discuss how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So let us look at the PPT. This is the definition of homogeneous function. A homogeneous function, if any function f of xy of two variables x and y is called a homogeneous function of degree n if f of tx ty is equal to t raised to n f of xy, then this kind of function is known as homogeneous function of degree n. I am repeated that if for any function f of xy, if f of tx ty is equal to t raised to n f of xy, then this kind of function is known as homogeneous function of degree n. We can also write, if the function is homogeneous function of degree n, then f of xy can be written as x raised to n f of y by x, or we can also write f of xy is equal to y raised to n f of xy. So if we write f of xy is equal to x raised to n f of y by x, then this kind of equation, this kind of function happens in the homogeneous function when the function is homogeneous of degree n. So now I am quickly move to the homogeneous differential equation. This is the definition of homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon g of xy is called a homogeneous differential equation if f of xy and g of xy both are homogeneous function of same degree. So note that here two conditions for the homogeneous differential equation. First thing, for the differential equation of the format dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon g of xy. So we have two functions f of xy and g of xy. We need that both functions are homogeneous functions and both homogeneous functions have same degree. Then and then this kind of equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. I repeat that if for the any differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon g of xy is called a homogeneous differential equation if f of xy and g of xy both are homogeneous functions of same degree. Okay, here the degree of both homogeneous function must be same, otherwise this equation is we cannot say that this equation is homogeneous differential equation. So we know that here f of xy and g of xy both are homogeneous function of same degree. તો આપણે જે પ્રમાણે એની ડેફિનેશનમાં ડિસ્કસ કર્યું, જો કોઈ પણ ફંક્શન હોમોજીનિયસ હોય તો એને આપણે એક્સ રેસ ટુ એન એફ ઓફ વાય બાય એક્સ એ ફોર્મેટમાં લખી શકીએ. તો સેમ રીતે અહીંયા પણ આપણે એફ ઓફ એક્સ વાયને પણ એક્સ રેસ ટુ એન ઇન્ટુ એફ ઓફ વાય બાય એક્સ, અને સેમ રીતે જે જી ઓફ એક્સ વાય છે એને પણ આપણે એક્સ રેસ ટુ એન ઇન્ટુ જી ઓફ વાય બાય એક્સના ફોર્મમાં લખી શકીએ, કે જેથી એક્સ રેસ ટુ એન છે ન્યુમિરેટર અને ડિનોમિનેટર બંનેમાંથી કેન્સલ થઈ જાય, કે જેથી કરીને આપણે આ ડિફરન્શિયલનું ઇક્વેશનનું સોલ્યુશન ઇઝીલી મેળવી શકીએ, કે જે દરેક જગ્યાએ વાય અપોન એક્સના જ ટર્મ્સ હશે. તો આપણે વાય અપોન એક્સ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ કોઈ પણ સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન લઈ અને એક્ઝામ્પલ ખૂબ જ ઇઝીલી સોલ્વ કરી શકીએ, અને સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન લેવા પછી સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન આપી ત્યારબાદ આપણે વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ મેથડનો યુઝ કરી અને એક્ઝામ્પલનું સોલ્યુશન કરી શકીએ. તો આપણે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ. Solve the differential equation x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy is equal to 0. આ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનનું આપણે સોલ્યુશન કરવું છે. જો તમે ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન પર વધારે કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ કરશો તો તમને આઈડિયા આવશે કે આ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનમાં આપણે વેરિયેબલને સેપરેટ કરી શકશું નહીં. તો આપણે અહીંયા આપણે હોમોજીનિયસ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનની ડેફિનેશનનો આપણે યુઝ કરશું અને એને આપણે કન્વર્ટ કરશું ડીવાય બાય ડીએક્સના સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મેટની અંદર. સો વી કેન રાઇટ ધીસ ઇક્વેશન 2xy ઇન્ટુ dy ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ y સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ x સ્ક્વેર ઇન્ટુ dx. In the main equation there is a x square minus y square into dx. If we simplify it, then we can write that 2xy into dy is equal to y square minus x square into dx. So that dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square upon 2xy. Okay, so here the general format is dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon g of xy. Here f of xy is equal to y square minus x square and g of xy is equal to 2xy. Note that here y square minus x square and 2xy both are homogeneous functions of degree 2. We can quickly take a decision that these both functions are homogeneous of same degree, because in each term of f of xy and g of xy the addition of index of x and y is equal to 2. Here y square there is a y raised to 2 and x raised to 0, so addition is 2. In x square there is a x raised to 2 and y raised to 0, so addition is 2. And in denominator there is x raised to 1 and y raised to 1, so addition is equal to 2. So in numerator is a homogeneous function of degree 2 and denominator is also a homogeneous function of degree 2. So we can here for the solution we can take here y upon x is equal to t, because we know that we can write this function in the format of x raised to n into f of y by x. So it is easy to take y upon x is equal to t, or I can say y is equal to xt. If I take y is equal to xt, then the differentiation with respect to x gives us dy by dx is equal to x into dt by dx plus t, where I have used the multiplication rule for the differentiation, x into dt by dx plus t. If I replace this value of dy by dx in our main equation, then we will get x into dt by dx plus t is equal to x square t square, where y is equal to xt, so y square is equal to x square t square minus x square upon 2x into y is equal to xt, that means 2x square t. And by simplifying we will get x into dt by dx plus t is equal to x square t square minus x square upon 2x square t. So after all I will get x into dt by dx is equal to t square minus 1 upon 2t, and the plus t in the left hand side will come in the right hand side as minus t. So I will get x into dt by dx, that is equal to t square minus 1 upon 2t minus t. By simplifying, I will get x into dt by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus t square upon 2t. Here now if we look at the differential equation now, then this in this differential equation we can separate the variables, and I have solved that 2t upon 1 plus t square into dt is equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. Here in this step the variables are separable, because in the left hand side all the terms are containing t, and in the right hand side the terms containing x. So here variables are separable. So now onwards we can solve this differential equation by the method of variable separable. So note that to solve the homogeneous differential equation, first we need to take y upon x is equal to t, that means y is equal to xt, and then simplifying and putting all these values in our main homogeneous differential equation, and after simplifying we will get the variable separable format. So here we have got homogeneous differential equation into, now its formats is in variable separable. તો હું એવું કહેવા માગું છું કે હવે આ જે સ્ટેપ છે ત્યાં વેરિયેબલ્સ છે એ હવે સેપરેબલ છે, તો આપણે વેરિયેબલ સેપરેબલ ફોર્મેટનો યુઝ કરી અને ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશનનું સોલ્યુશન કરી શકીએ. લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં બધા ટી વાળા ટર્મ છે અને રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં બધા એક્સ વાળા ટર્મ છે. તો બંને સાઈડ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ ટી ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થશે અને રાઇટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ એક્સ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન થશે. તો આપણે આ રીતનું ટર્મ આવશે, ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન 2t upon 1 plus t square into dt is equal to minus integration of minus 1 by x dx. Here આ ટર્મનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવા માટે આપણે જોશું તો જે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં જે ફંક્શન છે ટી વાળું, એમાં છેદમાં ફંક્શન છે 1 પ્લસ ટી સ્ક્વેર, અને એનું ડિફરન્સિએશન જો આપણે 1 પ્લસ ટી સ્ક્વેરનું ડિફરન્સિએશન કરીએ તો એ આવશે 2t, કે જે અંશમાં આવેલું છે. દેટ મીન્સ differentiation of the denominator function is in the numerator. So we know that integration over f dash t upon ft into dt is equal to log f of t. Okay, so here the integration of that function is log of 1 plus t square is equal to integration of 1 of x is equal to log x. So log of 1 plus t square is equal to minus log x, and there is a constant in the log format, that is log c. If the minus log x come in the right hand side, so we will get log 1 plus t square plus log x is equal to log c, and by simplifying that we will get 1 plus t square into x is equal to c, and so we will get, if we replace the value of t, that is y by x, and by simplifying we will get x square plus y square upon x is equal to c. That means x square plus y square is equal to cx, which is the required solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. So again I am repeat that to solve the homogeneous differential equation, first we need to take y upon x is equal to t, then that means y is equal to xt, then we will get dy by value of dy by dx in the format of t, and we will replace in our homogeneous differential equation the value of y and dy by dx. So, and after that simplifying that form we will get the variable separable format, and then integrating both sides we can easily solve the homogeneous differential equation. So in this way we can solve the homogeneous differential equation. Let us look at one more example of homogeneous differential equation. Here question is to solve the differential equation x square y into dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. Let us try to solve it practically here. So here our question is x square into y dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. First, I want to clear that this equation cannot be solved by the variable separable method, because here variables are not separable. We can see it easily. So we will try. If we look at this equation here, the index of x, that is 2, and index of y is equal to 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, and here x cube and y raised to 0, that is summation of index is equal to 3. Here y cube and x raised to 0, that means summation of index is equal to 3. So that means here in each terms the summation of index of x and y is equal to 3. That means this is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. So now I will convert into the general form of homogeneous differential equation. So here we will get x square y into dx, that is equal to x cube plus y cube into dy. So I will get dy by dx is equal to x square y upon x cube plus y cube. Now this is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. So for the solution let y is equal to xt. Okay, so if I differentiate with respect to x, then I will get dy by dx is equal to, here x is as it is and differentiation of t is equal to dt by dx, plus t as it is and differentiation of x is equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to x into dt by dx plus t. And if I put both these values in this equation, then here I will put dy by dx is equal to x into dt by dx plus t, and here I will put y is equal to xt, and here I will put x cube t cube. So by putting all these values I will get